ku easy ukudlala esquadini uthola udumo nokuthandeka uya lapha kwi-CAF Champions League akusiniswa amahleza lapha akusiniswa amahleza sisingasho nje ukuthi i-team eyadlala i-CAF Champions League last season only Mamelodi Sundowns then laba abayi2 badlala i-CONCACAF
uthini kumina Sanibona bafethu igama lami nguSanele aka uDonsa Enkabi so bafethu we are back with another video njengenjalo bafethu angihambi ngedwa ngihamba noSibuda Libuda Sibuda khamba kanjani
Moja kunjani mfethu
uGrand
ngimnandi masweet
hayi kuningi kuyenzeka eCountry kuningi kuyenzeka bafethu namhlanje sizokhuluma ngezinto ezenzakalayo ku PSL so bafethu iKaizer Chiefs team enkulu isayina ucoach isayina ucoach omusha from the box Sibuda ngicela uthathe usibeke but before bafethu we get into the game please don't forget to follow us on YouTube @starting11xi lapho uzothola khona bafethu uzothola the full length the full video bafethu ngenza ukuthi you are watching us we clip encane so bafethu if you want to watch the full conversation please head to YouTube @starting11xi ilapho uzothola khona bafethu Sibuda before singene ku new coach kuvelile ukuthi ama coaches ahlulekile ukumitha i-targets so i-target yabo bekuthi bathole i-CAF Champions League spots sizokhuluma bafethu nge-Champions League later on evidweni Sibuda ake siqale singene lapho then bese siyangena ku new coach Fernando the Cruz yes
nginibingelele ma followers ethu ma subscribe ethu sesiphinde sangena Sibuda Libuda AK Sibuda Libuda mawuthanda starting 11 sibonga ithuba umdala usesigcinile
danke
yabona ilokhujana i-target yama assistant coach ngoba bese kusela ama assistant coach
Ben Khalil
ukuthi athole ama esports CAF
lokho kusho ukuthi babe number 1 or babe number 2 so the sports CAF
manje ngesimo sobude bendlela yaCAF ngicela ukuyihlanganisa yonke ngasekugcineni sengibala ukuthi udlala kanjani kwiCAF nokuthi kunjani ukudlalela ku-level yokudlalela ibafana ne-level yokudlala kwi-CAF ngizoyibreaka down sengiyihlanganisa yonke lapha ngasekugcineni
Woma seku Kaizer Chiefs
ne-head coach
yes
okay i-Kaizer Chiefs ilanda uFernando da Cruz insizwa yale eFrance eFrance ike yacoacha lapha as i-caretaker kusho ukuthi leyo team isuke ibe nenkinga no coach
kusho ukuthi ngoba ebe i-caretaker kusho ukuthi uke waba i-translator la waqeda kuphuma hayi okay asiyeke le
kodwa i-team lapha i-Royal Excel Mouscron yase Belgium isizin 2014 no 2015 uke wabamba as i-caretaker wadlala imidlalo embadlwana lapha lapho as i-caretaker waba nama winner of 4 draw a1 nama loss i6 2014 2015
it's a decade ago
iwadlala leyo mdlalo yahamba kanjalo ke kwalandela iLille SC Lille SC yaseFrance
ilogo yakhona
waba i-caretaker nakhona 6 games waba nama wins i2 i-draw a1 nama losses i3 2 wins mfethu kodwa phela usuke ungenile esikhaleni hayi ukuthi ustarta from isizini
soxosha umuntu
yabo kusuke
wena wabona ithunisha
phuma ilokhuja kungena ilokhuja ngeke ngisabiza ngegama then ke AS FAR eMorocco kwiBotola Pro
hayibo leqeda kudliwa iSundowns
yeah
Hayibo, uke wathinta khona.
yeah uke wangena laphana as a head coach yeah
I-big shot.
yazi ube register 2 point something points laphana
Per game.
wenze kamnanjana khona laphayana yeah 25 games ake ngithi estimated roughly or estimated games he played kwi-league iBotola Pro 25 games
Showcase.
yeah ama-draws ayi-6 ama-draws ayi-6
Sele 19 games.
yabo wawina 16 games yeah 16 games
Futhi wadla 3.
yabo say u25 16 yeah wadraw awu6 then ke wadliwa 3 wadlala esewonke
That's decent most.
yeah yilokhujana and after law ma games 60 something points alida ngawo wayiqukula iBotola Pro League wayiwina yabo waba nama games nyana nje awadlala futhi lapha kwi-CAF Confederations Cup ayi18 10 wins awa register ama draw ayi5 ama lose ayi3 yeah uFernando yeah da close yabo khona ke iMoroccan Throne Cup yeah National Cup wathi ukudlala namanye ama games lapha abayi3 kwaba 1-1-1 1 lose 1 draw 1 win
okay
yeah so yilona irecord aliphethe njengoba eya emakhosi
Fernando
da Cruz yabo so engakuphawula kulelo point yeah angigxeka ukuthatha ucoach waphesheya nani but mina ngiyafisa ukuthi eMzansi siphinde sibe nalo ikhono elifana nelabo like esengisho kubadlali like oTsovilakazi leGoleya Jabupule abo Ace Mbuthu ya umuntu odlala ibhola elifuze la Dr Khumalo noma badlala amali wrong yazi ukudlalela i-team wrong kuyakwenza ukuthi ungabe i-top achiever kwi-football career yakho ingakho ngingayithanda i-comparison yama-player so suka lapho size la sesiqedile kwi-coaching ye-Chiefs sizoza kwi-signing amanye ama-team awafuna ukukhipha imali yeah awafuna ukukhipha imali kuze ucoach omusha ucoach omusha kungenzeka ukuthi kunehlo la akabuka khona waba neso kwamanye ama games kwamanye ama country kwamanye ama teams PSL mhlambe afuna ukuthi asayina checkbook ayikhishwa kwamanye ama team isayinile iKaizer Chiefs yasayina uMoloyisana idefender leStellenbosch yabo
quality
as what free agent free agent
save money live better
Kaizer Chiefs shiwo njalo noma kuthiwa Cambridge
angazi yeah
ayizinjalo ke ze Kaizer Chiefs then ke siwelele kwamanye ama team yawo i-team like ihlukane no coach yeah iMarumo Gallants uDelian Dean bahlukene naye bathi balanda uPhuti lo wePolokwane City futhi Mohafe yeah
bamxoshele nokushaya iSundowns home and away in a space of 3 days
ayish imvula enganetha noma ngawubalo you cannot ixosha icoach ukushawa iMamelodi Sundowns i-team eshaya yonke into eAfrica wena uyini ke wena i-team erecord ngingangeni la ngisangena la
politics
yabo yeah then ke angazi i-goal efunwa i-Chiefs angithi i-Champions League i-Champions League sports yabo kuzoqala umgqiqo wama local cup FA Cup
mana before nje singena lapho you telling the two coaches ukuthi I want the Champions League sports bro awukayi masterish i-CONCACAF phela it was embarrassing the way i-Chiefs yaphuma kwi-Confederations Cup
yeah
number 1 but I qualify
yeah
okay when last did Lokunja i-Kaizer Chiefs played i-Champions League I think it was 2021 idlala final
yayidlala
ne-Al Ahly
yayidlala ifinali kusacoacha uZwane nakhona icheckbook yayingekho kuZwane yabo ilokhujana idouble CAF Champions League lifuna ucoach ophethe icheckbook yabo ozoba nesquad esifem uwine ama games la kwi league then udlale mangabe unumber 2 wayithola iCAF Champions kukhona ama preliminary rounds
awu2
abakhona before uyodlala iCAF Champions League so amanye ama managers ama management amanye ama teams awakaza adlala ibhola ungawaphasela wanika ipenalty kungena goalkeeper asazi noma azoyikora yini yabo kufanele ube ne striker esiyi goal poacher then udlale kubonakala iprogress yakho bese siza la iChiefs idlalile iConference Cup iConfederations Cup yenze njani beyibambe enzima iwina ngo 1-0 nobani so ibingenawo aba players enza icreativity ukuze ifike koma quarter final semi finals up until ilokhuja fanele batadishe lapho ukuthi sidlale kanjani sidinga ama players amasha so that bazokwenza kangcono kwiCONCACAF kule season le yabo akusiyona yona yodwa futhi ethi ifuna iChampions League yabo before udlala iChampions League bafethu khona ama preliminary rounds if usadlala lama rounds layo zokuqala preliminary rounds angithi
ama preliminary rounds awu2 khona first then second angithi wonke umuntu manje ecountry yakhe no number 1 no number 2 ziyongena ziyodipha zonke lapho abawinayo ifirst preliminary rounds badlala isecond abawinayo isecond then sebeyodlala ini ama group stages sebeyodlala iCAF la iqala khona iCAF maqhubeka
then ngale squad lesi esinayo iKaizer Chiefs awekho maningi ama free agent esayina futhi noma athiwa amaningi equality yawo ayikho ine CAF level ukuthi bangadlala ba compete ine CAF level so ama team ngaphandle kweSundowns mayikhuluma igama leCAF kufana nokuthi ufuna ukuba uElon Musk in one season ufuna ukuba uElon Musk a trillionaire you start uyatadisha ukuthi how did he become a trillionaire how kwenzeka kanjani ukuthi Sundowns ibe nama Champions League ayi2 there was a 10 season gap
10-year gap 10 season gap
between ama cup ayo ama CAF Champions League cup you know ngesikhathi isekuphele 2 season iwini iChampions League yokuqala iSundowns ayizange ngithi sesifuna ukuwina iCAF Champions League ngeseason ezayo yenzani yadlala yadlala yaze yafika iseason ekuthenini uCAF athi hayi nina senizinkunza nisadlala lezi zinto lezi ama preliminary rounds awasiyo iCAF Champions League bafethu uyawina lawo ma games there awasiyo iCAF Champions League so abanye abantu ba recognize kuma preliminary rounds then bathola ama position kwi squad yazi ukudlala isquad it's like umsebenzi uthole umsebenzi lapha kwiCAF Champions League iskill ne experience then you play Champions League you know angeke ungitshela ukuthi awukazi udlale iChampions League at all because iqala kuma group stages usuyogqoka unumber 10 we squad amanye ama nations team ayahleka uSteven Pienaar wayegqoka ujezi number 10 Lion of Judah wayegqoka unumber 10 esquadini abantu abanama achievements amakhulu yabo Lion of Judah owaba player of the season not in social media
eBelgium
eBelgium wawina unama Champions League unama league titles then waba unumber 10 esquadini. Hayi ngama preliminary rounds akekho umdlali engimgxekayo. Yebo. Ukuze ube unumber 10 esquadini engazathi ungawina noma ama league ayi2. Uwine noma ama FA Cups awu2 or 3 nyana. Uma ungawinanga lokho iba kwi position ebet uphume lapha kuma round ahloniphekile lapha kwi CAF Champions League. Not ukuthi awukazidlala because i preliminary rounds akusiyi CAF Champions League.
So usafuna ukuqualifyela yona.
Usuku usafuna ukuqualify ukudlala ama qualifying match World Cup.
Akuyona World Cup.
Akusiyi World Cup. Ama preliminary rounds awasiyo i Champions League games.
No.
So manje how do you wear jersey number 10 for a national team? Awunayi major achievement enkulu to wear that jersey. Ingakho lisinda kangaka leleya jersey. Awunayo jersey number 10 eteamini yakho because akudethronwa umuntu oyi legend owayemkhulu oyi top achiever akadethroneki but kwi national team ugqoka jersey number 10 on which grounds? On which i CAF Champions League ila ekupheka khona. Then ingako iSundowns inama players athe xaxa esquadini this time abe limited. By the way umuntu owenza ukuthi kube khona igoli bafana ikhave kube u1-1 umdlalo oqhamuka kwiSundowns Slaghuis. I-penalty iqorwe umdlalo weSundowns. Ukeeper angingayibali leyo keeper yabo kusho ukuthi kube yini i-combination yeMamelodi Sundowns. Why? Through experience. You know lento yokuba massive kwi social media but you are not worldwide recognized as i-social media ikpainta ukuthi ube umkhulu. Ama coaches lawe Chiefs osekela coach ama assistant o translator no translator phakathi
Ben Yusuf
banikwe icathulo ezinkulu kakhulu. First of all abanikwa ngecheckbook. Yabo no coach lo mlungu wahamba kwi-location kwi-Chiefs azange ayithole imvumo yokuthi athenga ama players awadingayo but kufuneka i-CAF Champions League ingamasi yini i-CAF Champions League because akakayilande umlandile lo ucoach iyeza iCONCACAF kusasayina umdlalo oyedwa sizoyibona uKaizer Chiefs ukuthi izoperforma kanjani. And iPirates itholile isport kwi-CAF. Nanka ama preliminary izobe isekhona futhi Lupopo. Izobe isekhona. Ayikho this year.
Yeah. Kuzobe iyobile ngale kwi-confederations. Yeah, ngenze
iSundowns nani konje bangeza ukudlala ama preliminary rounds. iSundowns already ikwi-CAF Champions League. Lento yokubhudubhudu ayizukuyidlala.
Hayi ngeke
ne-Al Ahly.
Yeah, last year i-first preliminary round abayidlalanga. Badlala i-second because badlala iRemo Stars bayisha home and away. Nge-aggregate 7 something because bayisha 5-1 bayisha ngo-2-1 7-2 lapho. So this year maningi amathuba ukuthi vele straight kwi-group stages.
iSundowns
because Sundowns is number 1 eAfrica ina 73 points ilandelwe Al Ahly with 66 points. So kukhala isicathulo seMamelodi Sundowns Africa yonke yabo uzubona ukuthi ngendlela enkulu ngayo iMamelodi Sundowns. Angithi remember kunama continent awu6 kufike kube khona iEurope ezomelwa iEgypt bese kuba iBrazil
ezomelwa
PSG. Sorry.
Yeah.
Europe ezomelwa PSG bese kuba iNorth and South ilokhunja of America.
Yeah.
Ama Brazilian la ngiyakhumbula ikhona iFluminense. Then bese kuba iAsia imele iAl Ahly. Bese kuba ilokhunja iPacific imele iAuckland City. Then bese kuba iAfrica. So laba iAsia iPacific iAfrica bazodlala bo 3. But la iAl Ahly yase-Asia ne-Auckland City yase-Pacific bazoqala bedlale bobabili bedlale bobabili because they are ranked lower than iMamelodi Sundowns. How massive is that?
Very
Akumele kodwa sikukhulume kumele sikhokhoze.
Trend lokho
kumele sikhokhoze.
Uthi sikuphinde iSundowns isivele ilapha ayisacompete nePacific neAsia. Labo bazokhompisa bona.
Kodwa
then labantu aba highly ranked bazoqhamuka sebedlala ifinal yalama continent oyi3.
So singasho nje ukuthi eAsia, Pacific, Africa iSundowns iyiPSG yala. Because remember iPSG isikwifinal umhlaba wonke.
Yeah, kwi-Intercontinental
kwi-FIFA Continental Cup.
Yeah.
Ayiligi ibanga ubende lapha.
Yebo.
Yes, isikwifinal neSundowns isikwifinal yeAsia
Pacific.
Asia Pacific Africa Cup. Yabo. So mangaka ama cup iSundowns engawina awu3. Ile Asia Pacific Africa. Then uma iwina lapho iyodlala iChallenger Cup. Then siyobidlala ne one of the Brazilians, one of the South
American,
one of the Americans.
Yeah.
Mayiwina lapho iChallenger Cup iyodlala nani nePSG kwiFIFA Continental Cup. So out 3 already ama cup that are already in line if iMamelodi Sundowns idlala. So ngokuwina iChampions League isikuma final awu2.
Yebo.
Ile iSuper Cup yeCAF.
Yeah.
Then bese kuba ile iContinental. Because mabe win iContinental bazoyiqubula and ibane advantage ukuthi basekhaya.
Yeah. So yabona ukuthi imidlalo yeChampions League fanele uthole isport esiright phakathi kwa number 2 no number 3 kwileague yakho. Usazobhuduzela awukakalithinta igama elithi CAF Champions League.
Hayi.
Uma uwina umbhuduzelo sekhathi ke uyoba iChampions League team.
Yeah,
competitor in the competition yompetha. Uma suwina umbhuduzelo ungawina 100-0 kumbhuduzelo. Akusiyo iCAF Champions League game le.
Akuswaziland oSwatini.
After preliminary rounds then ama group stages a CAF Champions League.
Iyaqala ke kuba group stages.
Yabo.
Because ne World Cup lesibuka nje manje ayiqalanga kuma preliminary rounds.
Ukuselecta ukuya esquadini ngibona ngazathi unodumo olungakanani uthandwa kangakanani then ukuze kulinkwe nama team ase Europe engazathi kuthiwa ayakufuna nani magazine thizini kodwa ama magazine ase Europe namaphephandaba no social media awukakufaki ukuthi there is a South African player ebhekwe European team
giant.
Yabo. So manje ku easy ukudlala esquadini. Uthola udumo nokuthandeka uya. Lapha kwiCAF Champions League akusiniswa amahleza lapha ya. Akusiniswa amahleza. Sisingasho nje ukuthi i-team eyadlala iCAF Champions League last season only Mamelodi Sundowns. Then laba bayi2 badlala iCONCACAF.
Uthini kumina?
Yabo. Ngisho njalo.
Laba bawu3.
Yabo.
Oh abawu2 badlala iCONCACAF.
Yeah, iCAF Light.
Bayidlala statement sakho.
Yabo. Ama team ase South Africa esasithi thina ayodlala igama eliqala ngoCAF.
Yeah.
Ayo4.
Okay.
Yeah. Sundowns, Orlando Pirates, Kaizer Chiefs, Stellenbosch.
Okay, then kusebenzakalani?
Laba bayidlala iCONCACAF
bobabili. Sikhuluma ngani ngeKaizer Chiefs neStellenbosch. Then asibuye.
Laba abanye usecond phase wombhuduzelo. Bawudlala futhi kwaba ngazathi angazi kuyehlela nje kwaba into elula. Basheshe bavele bagibela ikhasi la banana batakakela kwiCAF. Yeah. Abanye bathi beligibela ikhasi la banana kanti phambi kwekhasi la banana kukhona ibhodlela. Zafika inyawo zawanyathela amakhasi ebanana lafika ibhodlela lasika ikhasi la banana ladlulela onyaweni zalimala inyawo. Azange zisafika kwiCAF Champions League games kuma group stages. Kusho ukuthi azange bayidlale at all iCAF Champions League. Yadlalwa iteam eyodwa eSouth Africa. Laba abanye badlala iCONCACAF. Lo munye waphelela le. Yabo, ngeke uthi usuka udlala kuMotsepe yabona ukudlala yini lento le uma ulwela ukusuka kwe-relegation ukuthi ungayehla
playoffs
ngeke uthi udlala ama-playoffs bese uzositshela ukuthi udlala ku-PSL ama-playoffs udliwe kuma-playoffs ubuyela back to le awufiki ku-PSL awungeni ku-PSL inhlobo ugcina lapho nje kuma-playoffs yabo ugcine ngokubunde yabona ukubuka indlu ngewindi ubone phakathi khonani ngeke ukuthi ungenile phakathi endlini awukakangeni lo zongena yilo oqhamuka lapho uwinile ilokhujana icup yasehlathini
okay
uyena ke oku-PSL ovula umnyango angene ku-PSL awuvale futhi uzovulwa makukhona iwina yama-playoffs avula angene mawudliwe ubuyela back to le awuzange uyidlala i-PSL game
so sibude libure sesivale uthi wena eSouth Africa kule season le yango 2025 2026 iyodwa i-team yadlala i-CAF Champions League
impela ayigcinanga ngokuyidlala futhi iyayiwina so nje uCAF uma ebhela abhala ama-list ayadlala laphana uqala kuma-group stages ku-group bani G Sundowns angisakhumbuli noma uC ayavela ama-team awu4 kuwo wonke ama-group stages iyodwa igroup yayineteam yase-South Africa kulamanye wonke ama-group yayingekho enye iteam ake ngisho njalo uzoyizwa kahle
okay
kuwo wonke ama-group stages ayekhona engakadlalwa uCAF walista iyodwa i-team ayiregister phansi kwama-games e-Champions League group stages i-team yase-South Africa iMamelodi Sundowns mangibheka kwamanye ama-groups ayikho enye iteam so uzosho kanjani ukuthi udlala i-Champions League ungekho kwi-list ye-CAF Champions League yabantu abaqala ukudlala i-CAF Champions League because once kuma-preliminary rounds basuke besalele kwa-CAF bavuka sekuthiwa sephelile ama-preliminary rounds sekuthiwa hayibo sekuzodlala i-CAF vukani uthi ngo khona bani bese ayababhala wonke akhanda ama-group watomula i-team eyodwa noma i-availability mayelethelwa ama-list wathola eyodwa esa-South Africa wabuza uthi ngoba phela khona unumber 1 no-number 2 we-South Africa kwenzakaleni ngalowo munye
ayi inkinga
hayi angivali bafowethu
hayi bafethu sizobonana siyashutela manje asadlali
shuthini shuthu
sizobonana bafethu nge-pre-match yelokhunja ye-South Derbies South Africa versus South Korea sizofika ama-South Derbies bafethu sizoyishela inhlanhla bafana so bafethu asikwazi ukuvela sibuye hayi asikwazi ukubuya manje so bafethu danke siyabonga
lo ngesitshela ukuthi